Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about sugar in the raw. This product was gifted to me by the manufacturer and I wanted to let you know about it because I gave it a try and I really love it. It's raw, which means that there's no colors added to this sugar at all, and you would use it in the same way that you would use any other sugar. Great in your morning coffee, great in your latte, anywhere you need a little sprinkle or a little crunch. You can use it on cooking too. So if you want to make a ham or yams or cookies and pies, this is absolutely perfect. You can even top your cookies with this. I wanted you to know that it's non-GMO, vegan, naturally gluten-free. So it's a really good product. It's also kosher and pareve. So that may be important to some people. And this is also packaged in the good old USA, which is very important in my opinion. Just wanted to let you know that the nutritional value here is serving size is 1 packet and it's 20 calories per serving with 5 sugars and 5 carbs. And as you can see, it is only sugar inside the package. Nothing else, no fillers, nothing else that you need to worry about. I think if you give this a try, you're going to be really happy because it's a great natural way to go. And sugar in the raw is really the way we should be using sugar. We should not be using any of those colors that they whiten sugar with. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Sugar in the Raw, for sending this to me.